Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the 3D audio for your TV speakers or your soundbar or something like that. Now, to do this, we want to go up to Settings and select this. Scroll on down until we get to Sound. Then go to where it says 3D audio for TV speakers, and then go to Set up 3D audio. Then we need to set this up, so let's go to Next. And this says sit where you usually do when you play video games and hold your wireless controller at face level. When you're ready, select Start Measurement and a sound will come through your TV speakers and a measurement will start. So let's go to usually where I sit and then press Start Measurement. Now if you get this error where it says you need to set your wireless controller to your mic input, press the PlayStation button, then go to mic, and then go to mic right here and switch it from your headset over to your wireless controller. Then we can go back and then go to try again. So let's go to next now. Start measurement. And it's counting down. So let's be quiet. And it says your room acoustics have been measured. If your TV changes where you usually play from, you'll need to go ahead and remeasure so you hear the audio exactly where you sit from. So then we can go to OK now. And we can set it up for 3D audio. So you can go to stereo or 3D audio. So I don't have any additional speakers or anything around me for 3D sound. So I'm just going to leave mine on speakers or stereo right here because I only use my TV speakers. If you do have more speakers all around you, set up the 3D audio right here. And then you can remeasure the room statistics or the room acoustics. And then we can go to done. And you can enable 3D audio at any point in time, just right here. But then we have to change the audio format over to linear PCM. So what we would want to do is go to audio output, scroll on down to audio format right here. Make sure this is linear PCM. And then you can go ahead and turn on the 3D audio for your TV speakers. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.
Thank you.